Dot plots. In this video, I'm going to talk about dot plots, what they are, and how to construct them. So a dot plot is a graph where each data value is plotted using a dot above a horizontal axis. Repeated data values are stacked on top of each other. They can show a distribution of the data as well as showing any high or low values, very similar to histograms and stem plots that you've seen before. So I'm going to go ahead and make one, and I'm going to use this data set. This is the starting lineup for the San Francisco Giants in 2020. And we're going to look at the variable age. So we're going to look at this particular variable. And so what you need to do is first you need to figure out what the lowest value is. And in this one, it happens to be 23. I've got a couple of 23s in here. And you need to know what your highest value is. And in this case, the highest age is 35, which is right here. And you need this because you need to create your scale. So you want to create a number line that stretches from your lowest to your highest. Your number line does not usually start at 0. So we're going to create a number line. And I want to have 23 as my lowest, and I need to go to 35. And we need to make a nice scale here, so we'll just go 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I'm just going to mark those so it doesn't make it quite so clustered to see it. And then what you do is you just start going down the list, and the first one on the list is Melvin Adon, and his age is 26. So we're going to put a dot just above 26. And then that's this age. Now the next age is 26. So I'm going to put another dot. I'm going to stack it on top of the other 26. Then I see the third player is 30. So I'm going to start one there. And then the fourth player on the list is also 26. And then I've got a 27. I've got a 28. I've got a 34. And then you keep going. Keep adding a dot. So each dot represents one individual. Now there are a total of 38 players. So the completed dot plot will have 38 dots, and I've already created the entire dot plot using this data set. And this is if we take the 38 players. You'll notice there are 38 dots here. And this is the completed dot plot. So now we can take a look and say things about it. And we can see that the ages, we can see the lowest age is 23. So they go from 23 to 35. We can see we've got a peak in the 26 to 27 range. That's where we've got the biggest number of players. We can also see that we have roughly 2/3, about 65%, are between 26 and 30. So there's many things that we can see when we look at these dot plots. It's just another graph that we can use to take a look at how the data values are spread out, if there's any patterns, any gaps, etc.